How to transfer money to external accounts from Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money from your Capital One account to an external bank account, well, here is a quick step-by-step guide on using the Capital One website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply click on the sign in button to log in to your account by entering your credential on the next page. And here, once you're logged in, you simply have to click on the transfer from the top navigation menu, and if this is your first time you can simply select link external account or add account and then enter the routing number and account number of the external bank, and Capital One will send a couple of small deposit to that external account and you would need to check your other bank and come back later to verify the exact amount. And once your external account is verified, you simply have to go back to the transfer section and select your Capital One account as the source and your external account as the destination. And after that, you simply have to enter the amount, pick a transfer date, and choose whether it's one time or a recurring one. And after that, you simply have to review the details and then just click on submit. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money to an external bank from your Capital One account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.